Profitable wood and metal projects offer a path to both creativity and financial success, blending timeless materials with the ingenuity of modern craftsmanship. The interplay between wood and metal creates a powerful dynamic. Wood exudes warmth and natural beauty, evoking a sense of nostalgia and connection to the earth. Metal, on the other hand, speaks to strength and modernity. Its sleek surfaces and industrial allure, offering a contrast that feels fresh and innovative. Together, these materials strike a balance that transcends fleeting trends, appealing to homeowners, interior designers, and business owners alike. This enduring combination positions wood and metal projects as a stable yet innovative segment in the DIY marketplace. Furniture remains a cornerstone of profitable wood and metal ventures. Dining tables featuring steel frames and reclaimed wood tops are perennial favorites, offering a blend of durability and charm. These designs can be customized to suit various tastes, from rustic farmhouse aesthetics to urban industrial vibe. By catering to a range of preferences, creators expand their reach, capturing customers who value both individuality and functionality. Coffee tables, side tables, and console tables present similar opportunities, especially when enhanced with practical features like built-in storage or adjustable height mechanisms. The allure of shelving and storage solutions continue to grow, fueled by the minimalist ethos that dominate modern interiors. Floating shelves, with their clean lines and space-saving design, are especially popular among young demographics and apartment dwellers, adding a unique twist such as asymmetrical arrangement or mixed material finishes allows DIY makers to distinguish their offerings in a crowded market. Ladder-style bookshelves and modular units further enhance versatility, attracting customers who seek both visual appeal and practical utility. Lighting fixtures are another arena where wood and metal projects thrive. Pendant lights, combining wooden accents with industrial-style metal cages, create ambience while doubling as statement pieces. Floor lamps and sconces with these materials blend form and function, offering creators a chance to experiment with designs that cater to high-end markets. The unique nature of lighting fixtures often justifies premium pricing, making this a strategic choice for maximizing profit margins. These pieces, imbued with character and artistry, quietly communicate their value to buyers who appreciate bespoke craftsmanship. Outdoor furniture represents an equally rewarding opportunity, with patio sets, fire pits, and decorative elements providing practical yet stylish solutions for exterior spaces. Sturdy metal frames paired with weather-resistant wooden components are ideal for creating lasting, versatile designs. These pieces naturally appeal to customers who prioritize durability and aesthetic appeal, offering makers a chance to position their product as long-term investments. By leveraging the rugged elegance of these materials, creators can subtly convey the resilience and timelessness of their work. Smaller handcrafted items such as serving trays, coasters, and wall-mounted bottle openers cater to the gift market while allowing for efficient production cycles. These projects are perfect for testing new ideas, introducing unique designs, and reaching customers who may not be ready to invest in larger furniture pieces. Personal touches like custom engravings or tailored finishes transform these simple objects into cherished keepsakes, quietly encouraging repeat business and referrals. These items also benefit from the growing appreciation for artisanal craftsmanship, appealing to those who seek meaningful alternatives to mass-produced goods. Personalization is a silent yet powerful driver of consumer interest, offering custom options, whether engraved wooden surfaces or bespoke metal finishes, elevate the perceived value of a product, creating a deeper connection between the maker and the buyer. This focus on individuality fosters customer loyalty, encouraging word-of-mouth referrals and repeat purchases. Projects like engraved dining tables, personalized wall art, or tailored shelving units demonstrate a commitment to meeting specific needs, subtly reinforcing the exclusivity and quality of the work. E-commerce platforms amplify the reach of wood and metal projects, connecting creators with a global audience. Platforms such as Etsy and Shopify enable makers to showcase their work alongside compelling narratives about their creative process. High-quality images and detailed product descriptions serve as silent advocates for the craftsmanship and care behind each piece. By emphasizing features like sustainability, handmade quality and unique design elements, creators can differentiate themselves in competitive marketplaces, quietly inviting buyers to invest in their vision. Marketing strategies that emphasize storytelling create an emotional resonance with customers, sharing the journey of sourcing materials, crafting designs, and refining finishes builds a sense of authenticity and trust. Social media platforms provide an ideal venue for this approach, with creators showcasing their project through time-lapse videos, process highlights, and behind-the-scenes content. These subtle glimpses into the maker's world cultivate a sense of connection, quietly encouraging followers to become loyal patrons. Collaboration offers another pathway to growth, enabling makers to expand their influence and explore new markets. Partnering with interior designers, local businesses, or event planners create opportunities for custom projects that highlight the versatility of wood and metal. For example, providing bespoke furniture for a boutique hotel or collaborating on a limited edition decor line with a regional artist can elevate both visibility and credibility. These partnerships subtly communicate the adaptability and premium quality of the maker's work, opening doors to further opportunities. Pricing is a critical aspect of ensuring profitability while reinforcing perceived value. Carefully calculating the cost of materials, labor, and overhead ensures that prices accurately reflect the effort and quality involved. Offering tiered options allows creators to appeal to various customer segments without sacrificing margins. For instance, a basic version of a dining table might feature simple finishes, while a luxury versions include custom detailing and premium materials. This approach subtly communicates accessibility while maintaining a sense of exclusivity. Thank you for tuning in. If this video lighted a spark of creativity or gave your project the edge they deserve, don't let the inspiration stop here. Hit the like button, share this with others who get it, and subscribe to join the community that thrives on innovation. Don't forget to tap the notification bell because being ahead of the curve means catching the latest ideas as they drop. See you in the next video.